How should I care for my temporary dental crown? Since temporary dental crowns are just that, a temporary fix until a permanent crown is ready, most dentists suggest that a few precautions be taken with your temporary crown. These include: avoid sticky, chewy foods. For example, chewing gum, caramel, which have the potential of grabbing and pulling off the crown. Minimize use of the side of your mouth with a temporary crown. Shift the bulk of your chewing to the other side of your mouth. Avoid chewing hard foods such as raw vegetables, which could dislodge or break the crown. Do not lift the flossing material upwards, as it may pull off the temporary crown. Rather, slide flossing material out